Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix taskbar disappeared in Windows 10. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer. Click Restart. Second method is, Windows and R keys, type Control Panel, click OK. Click Appearance and Personalization. Click Taskbar and Navigation. Turn off Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Third method is press Windows and I keys. Click System. Click Tablet. Select Never use tablet mode. Fourth method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Click File, click Run New Task. Type CMD, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open Downloaded tool now. Check Upgrade this PC now. Check Install Windows and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.